there's a way of looking at the physical nature of ourselves, our bodies, and the world around us as composed in a way just of these simple four qualities of experience. And by being mindful of them, the Buddha included these in his teaching of mindfulness of the body. He defined form or body as earth, water, fire, and wind, not so much as the physical things themselves, but as our experience of hardness, fluidity, heat, movement, or air. And so it's a way to get a sense of our deep interconnectedness. That in a way, I mean, I've said nature connection, but I was thinking about this just before we spoke, that can imply there's nature and there's me and we're connected. And really this is about, there's no distinction, you know, we are nature. And the more we can really feel that as a felt experience, as a deep knowing, you know, if everyone in the world really felt that, we would not trash nature, we would not trash the planet, we would just behave differently. And so although probably, you know, we and most people, probably everyone who might come on this retreat knows that there's a level that we know it and there's a level that we can feel it more deeply. Yeah, this is just a way of experiencing ourselves that, you know, people will find more or less useful, but it's really coming and giving it a try and see just how it might inform our way of living in this world that is so fragile and under threat, and to really experience ourselves as part of this natural, beautiful world.